So Grand River Hospital, they're looking for a solution for their long-term senior patients that face inactivity and boredom due to physical constraints and limited tech familiarity. Many of them remain bedridden, which increases the risk of hospital-induced delirium, which is defined as a change in one's mental abilities toward a confused, disoriented, or disorganized state. So we asked ourselves the question, how do we encourage physical activity for these patients? So, we built FlexiTrack. It is a mobile app for hospital volunteers and nurses to host exercise sessions within a ward. It contains a computer vision system to track patient movement during sessions, awarding them points based on their physical activity. These points are then redeemable for various games and recreational activities to incentivize their movement. And our front end was built by our team of biomedical engineering students working in iOS, XCode, and Swift. And here's our visualized computer vision system. As you can see, it contains an adjustable camera mounted onto a hospital bed. So hospital volunteers and nurses can host exercise sessions for patients either in bed, sitting up, or standing with our adjustable camera mount. Our backend was built with Python, OpenCV, and Mediapipe by our team of mechatronics engineering students.
All right, this is our app, Flexi app. So we could enter the volunteer's or the patient's name. I'm gonna say his name's John. All right, so this is the patient John. He's in the activity as tolerated group. And the volunteer could select from certain allowed activities such as chair yoga, stretching exercises, marching in place, heel to toe walk, and some standing leg lifts. So once the volunteer has set up all the patients with the cameras, they can select yes. All right, and so now the activity has started. So if we go to the camera feed, you could do it. We have John who's exercising now, and what we're tracking is the distance traveled by their wrists, since we're limiting to upper body exercises. And we're also tracking their speed. And so the distance and the speed during the session, we'll translate that into points that they can use. Here's our camera, and here's our demonstration. And so once the session is over, the volunteer could end the activity. And so as we can see, John has scored 6 points, which is added on to his initial 400. And let's see what awards he can claim. So after that, he can claim some cards, some board games, and some magazines.